Hello, my name is Syed and I'm a full stack developer from Pakistan. I have 8 years of expertise in design and development of cloud-based web, mobile and desktop solutions for education, banking, telecommunication and marketing industries. My main tech stack is C#, ASP .NET Framework, ASP .NET MVC, .NET Core, SQL Server, MySQL, SignalR, Web APIs and other related technologies. I also possess strong front-end development skills using React, Redux, TypeScript, CSS3, HTML5, Material UI, Bootstrap, Tailwind, and other styling tools and libraries. Being a senior resource, I have expertise in leading engineering teams, designing software architectures, microservices-based system, unit and system testing, setting up CI/CD pipeline, cloud deployments, and troubleshooting. I believe in fast and transparent communication, and I can learn and adapt new situations and things quickly. If you have questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.